welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Here we are once more and again. You know what? This is exactly 7 days ago, okay, where I was in the same position, looking at the same intensity of sunlight and pretty much the same temperature, meaning 65, 70 degrees. Now, 7 days ago was December 25th, right? That day was designated for Christmas. So 7 days from Christmas is typically January 1st. That day is designated for New Year's. Yes, guys, we didn't get no kind of cold weather for the holidays. Interesting. Well, like I say, today is the first. And you know what? This day fell on a Saturday, guys. So what do you know? I am off. Do y'all believe this? I don't know how to act. It's not that I don't know how to act. I don't have nothing to do. No, I'm joking. I got a lot to do. As you can see, yes, I got plenty to do. I didn't mean to show. I don't even want to. There go another trash bag. Let me get this. But yes, I think I said on the last video this was gonna be not looking the same on New Year's. Well, obviously, that didn't work out right. But I'm home by myself, so I got some things I can take care of. I can finally get caught up on this. I still didn't get to do a scrap run and clear some room in my truck to. Remember, guys, a lot of this trash. Wait a minute, this camera is not trash, man. I spent almost $3 grand on this camera about 5 years ago. That's one of those cameras. Those are out of style, not style. They still work. They smaller cameras can have just the same quality as the bigger cameras. But I do pull these out when I'm filming weddings and big events, because guys, it's nothing like walking into a big event with a smaller baby camera that's better than this. It's something about the size that turns people on. So if I walk in with that, I'll look more of a professional than I would my small camera that gets me better results than this. So yeah, man, I'm not going to throw it away because I still record weddings and things. Oh, I will be doing some hunting today. Yes, I heard them scratching up there in my attic this morning. Scratching away, guys. They're going to mess around and scratch a hole in my ceiling and come falling in my living room. And the people in this residence will likely have a hissy fit. Okay. Changes, guys. Yes, I got to get this back going. Let me tell y'all something. I got an announcement to make, and I'll probably make it on my live stream to Sunday. What's the day? Saturday. Tomorrow. Yes, I'm still doing lives. The channel, guys, the channel in general is about to change, guys. I'm talking about some drastic changes. All right. If you don't change, you're gonna remain the same. So change is inevitable, right? Yes, you got to evaluate the situation, the current situation you in. Man, my bike still got this price tag on it. I didn't pay nowhere near. I don't know what. I gotta put my motorized thing on there and take that to the shop, or clean that up and put that in there. But yes, a lot of changes coming to the channel, guys. Oh, a lot of changes. All right, I'm finally getting to sit down. I'm gotta get my my recording room together. I gotta put a small portion of a studio in the same room that I do videos. It's just gonna be a multimedia room, okay? I have to make this back into a freaking garage. Car's supposed to drive in here, you know. The door's supposed to come up, and you're supposed to be able to drive in here. So yes, I gotta make this a garage again. This is not how a garage is supposed to look. Wait a minute, this ain't right. So yeah, the desk stand there. I may have to make this room for when people come over. Right now, my small room I can create more better. Oh, your boy, I'm getting ready to put my CD out, guys. Long time coming. I'm working on a solo project. Ooh. It ain't what you think either, guys. It ain't the type of music you think. I don't know if any of y'all know me besides being JT the mechanic or the car guy. Yes, I have a whole slew of personality. But I don't want to bore y'all, guys. I'm going to go. Guys, the video on the ABS connector. That I finished that car yesterday, Friday. Friday. So the car is finished. As far as we're gonna discuss the situation. I'm gonna discuss it the best way I can. I'm struggling with trying to figure out how to discuss that. I know a lot of people. What happened? Keep us updated. And I'm not about to leave you guys stranded like that. Like, I wonder what happened. JT never. No, I got the repair video recorded. I just need to get it edited and upload it, and then we can discuss it. So I'm going to upload that tomorrow during the day, and we're going to discuss it at night. Remember, guys, I'm going to every 12-hour rotation as far as videos, because I'm shooting myself in the foot by constantly updating them or uploading them. I'm not letting them get in the max exposure they could, because I stick out another one and YouTube will stop promoting the one I just uploaded that was real good. Okay, so yes, I'm seeing videos I put out now close to reach 1,000 because I leave it alone and let it sit there for a while. So it's a number of ways you can look at it. If I see the video not performing up to standards, then yeah, I'll drop another one. But if I put one out and it's closing in on 1,000 in one day, you know, we discussed this already. So I'm gonna leave it alone and let it ride out this train until when it start dying down, then upload another one. So it's a strategic thing, guys. All right, and y'all know I gotta incorporate the other part of me, guys. JT, the fit mechanic. Yes, that I'm gonna also be referred to as JT, the fit mechanics. You may see some fitness videos up until I get my fitness channel up and running. So for now, you may see some squeeze in on it. I might designate a day like Tuesdays and Thursdays, no mechanic videos, just the other side of me. I'm not really into creating all these channel, guys. This channel is monetized and generating a nice chunk of revenue. And I done got to the point where I don't want to upload a video for nothing. You know what I'm saying? I want to reap some revenue stream off of it. So anything I upload on this channel will generate some revenue. So if I throw y'all a curveball, y'all see a curveball of a fitness video or talking about health and fitness video, you know, don't trip. That's why I need to designate days for that, so y'all won't be expecting to see what it is you normally come over to see. So yeah, I got to work all that out. Let me handle this some business, guys. That's all I have. I don't know. I like I say, I knew this was gonna happen, but hey, but I feel better because a lot of guys chimed in last week. Oh my goodness, man, you should see my garage. I like, woo, because I thought it was just me. No, it ain't just me, guys. Look at those comments on that last video. Oh man, my garage look way worse than that. I gotta go. That's all I have, guys. Happy New Year. Happy New Year to everybody. Man, let me say this. I hope you guys have a prosperous year. Like I say, whatever you have planned for the year, upcoming year, I hope you be successful in it. All that good stuff. I don't get mushy and I don't know what to say. But is that one right there? Uh-oh. Let me grab. Y'all see that? I can't be shooting up in people. That's not a squirrel, though. I don't want to be shooting birds and stuff. But I'm going hunting today, guys. I got me some bullets, some BBs, or whatever this gun's shooting, and we're going to go shoot some stuff. I'm going in the back. I guess itching to catch one of those squirrels on my roof. Guys, I got to go. Thanks for watching.